Family-owned plumbing businesses succeed by building trust through consistent quality work, treating customers like neighbors instead of transactions, and reinvesting profits back into training, tools, and fair wages for the people who represent the family name on every job. Here is something a lot of people do not realize. The real secret to a family plumbing business lasting for generations is not the plumbing skill itself. It is something called relationship equity. Every single job a plumber does is a chance to build trust with a neighborhood, one house at a time. When a father and son show up on time, explain the problem in plain language, and do not try to upsell unnecessary repairs, that family earns something money cannot buy quickly, which is word-of-mouth reputation. Most successful family plumbing shops actually track referrals like gold, sometimes even giving small discounts to customers who send friends their way. Another lesser-known fact is that many of these businesses survive tough seasons by cross-training every family member in both the technical plumbing work and the business side, like billing and customer service, so nobody is ever stuck if one person gets sick or retires. This flexibility is often the real reason these businesses outlast big corporate competitors who rely on rigid job roles. One common mistake is undercharging out of guilt, especially with longtime customers, which can slowly bankrupt a business. So the fix is creating a simple, fair pricing sheet that never changes based on who is asking. Another misconception is thinking that being family-owned automatically means better service, when really it only works if the family treats the business like a real company with real standards, not just a side hustle. A third thing to watch for is families avoiding modern tools like scheduling software or online reviews because it feels impersonal, but embracing a little bit of technology alongside that personal touch is usually what helps these businesses grow into the 21st century instead of falling behind. If you need help with a project, you can search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.